Welcome back. If you're new here, I'm Max and I'm in Marrakesh, Morocco. This city is insane. It is so busy, and today we are going to explore it at night. This is definitely one of the craziest cities I have been to, and in this video we are going to explore. We're going to get some food, check out some shops, and just see what the city has to offer. So let's go into the center. This is now my second time in Morocco. I was here this time last year, and I have now been in Marrakesh 3 days. So it's a crazy city. It reminds me of a mix of between like Cairo and Istanbul in Turkey. Look how many people, jeez. And it is Independence Day today, the 18th of November. Oh my gosh, there's just a sea of people. What am I watching? I'm still waiting to see something. I don't even know what I'm watching, and he's trying to get me to pay. Gosh. What are they doing? I don't even have a clue. So clearly with that game you have to get the little hoop on top of the bottles, and then I guess you win something. Oh my gosh. Smoky. What is it?
Everything.
Yeah.
We have maybe couscous, tagine, barbecue, sausage, fish, calamari, shrimp, salad.
Maybe. Yeah man, I might come back. Thank you.
From where from?
England.
They make difference. Look, everything we do.
Yeah, it looks
we have
nice.
meat, fish, and vegetarian. What can you say?
Yeah, I might come back. I'll walk around. Thank you. Yo.
How are you, brother?
Good,
It's
man.
good?
Yeah.
This
all good.
117 takes you to heaven. It's
Okay,
good, brother. I
very
promise,
nice.
brother. It's good. Are you from England?
Yeah.
Nice people in England, brother. I promise it's good. It's good in England, brother. Do you have barbecue, skewies, lamb, chicken? Look, come on.
Yeah, now I see. Yeah. No,
Shrimp, that's the way. I like it. Barbecue. Yes, barbecue, chicken, lamb. Do you like fish, calamar, shrimp, salt.
Alright, cool man. I'll get some food.
Barbecue,
Yeah.
chicken, lamb,
Calamar.
sausage, lamb chops, pastilla.
What's this, sausage?
No, I have kafta.
Kofta.
Yeah, I have sausage here. I have sausage.
Cool man.
Yes, same. Yeah.
How much are these?
You have 6 kebab, 40 dirham.
How much?
6. You have 6
For how much?
40.
40.
Yeah, 6.
Can I have 3 and 3?
Yeah, no problem.
Cool man.
Yeah.
After that sing and dance, I kind of had to buy something, so I've got 3 kofta skewers and 3 chicken skewers. Alright, so the skewers have arrived. 3 kofta, 3 chicken, and I don't know. Anyway, let's eat. Raw chicken is always good. I'm gonna have to ask him to put it back on. So they just tried to scam me. Before the guy was saying for 6 it was 40, and then they came along with more skewers, like 8 skewers, and then he was like 80. Like, nah bro, I'll pay you 60. And I just gave him the money and walked off, because the people in front of me as well got scammed as well. Gosh. But when something like that happens, just get your price that is fair, just give them the money and walk off. You can't, yeah. Because the people in front of me, they paid 350, that's 35 euro. That's kind of crazy. Anyway, let's keep walking around. but I have to say them skewers were very nice. So I'm happy, of course. If you've watched my channel, you know I buy too many fake shoes. So let's see how much Air Force Ones are, because I know how much I should pay. Oh, I bought a pair of these in Turkey and my dad hated them, but I'm a big fan. Hello, how much are these? 400. What's the best price you can do? What's the lowest price? 350. So when I was in Turkey, I bought a pair for £11, and in Egypt they're about £20–25, and they're like 30 odd. So yeah. Ooh, nice t-shirts.
Mohammed, what did I say?
Again. These are like the t-shirts I bought in Turkey.
Hello,
So
how are
much.
you?
Yeah, man, how much are the t-shirts?
300.
300. Whew. High prices, man.
How much you give?
No, not 300.
How much you price?
Let me find one that I like,
Okay.
and then we'll think. Yeah, I'm not paying €30 for a fake t-shirt. Definitely not. I mean, the maximum I'll probably pay is like 15, something like that. Ralph. That is nice to be
Of
fair.
Casablanca.
Yeah.
And this one I have blue.
Yeah, I like the grey. That's why
Grey.
the grey one. Or do I go crazy and get an orange? More grey ones. How much would you do for this one?
250.
That's still too
How
much.
much you give?
I'm thinking like 100.
No, 100. Give you 230.
No. €23.
Give you
That's
20.
crazy. Nah, it's still too
200,
much.
200 zero. 200.
That's still too much.
How much?
150.
180. 180.
170.
Okay.
Thank you. Different size though. This
What
is
size?
small. I don't know. I'm probably large. Yeah. I mean, I'll pay what, €17. It's like 15 quid. Super nice. So I got this t-shirt in black, exactly the same as that design, for 170.
Would you like more?
I'm well happy with that. That's like 15 quid for a decent quality t-shirt. You cannot complain. That's pretty much what I paid in Turkey for the same kind of material. Let's have a look down here. They do have loads of fake watches here, but I do not put them in the video anymore because one of my videos got it's not a copyright strike, but I got a strike on my channel because of it. So now I do not put fake watches on here, unfortunately. Yo. For the video.
Video?
Yeah.
Original fake here.
Original fake.
Good quality.
Yeah.
Good quality.
Yeah.
Casablanca. Lacoste.
Yeah, I see.
Where are you from?
England.
Where in England?
Close to Manchester.
Manchester.
Yeah.
Nice.
Yeah, man. Thank you.
Good.
Good. Ooze, what are we saying? Nah. Again. How much are these?
What size?
No price.
What size I have good price, no problem. Just 280, 280.
280, 28 euro. You know, I was in Turkey.
See.
I was in Turkey. I got a pair of these shoes. 11 euros.
11 euros.
11 euro.
Too much.
Too little.
This one is Morocco good price.
Ooh, bags. I need a big bag.
Yeah. Bigger like this.
Nah, not like this though. But yeah, that size.
I have only this one.
They're nice.
This is big.
Yeah.
You have different color.
Yeah. That's I like this one to be honest. But yeah, man. Thank you. Which are they?
Good.
2 dirham. I'll try one. Coconut things. No, I'll just take it.
It's sweet.
So this is a coconut. What do you call it? Biscuit. 2 dirham. That's actually really good. It's all right, thank you. No, it's all right, thank you. What's this?
This is mixed. Mango,
Mixed.
strawberry, pineapple, apple.
How much is this?
$1 million for you.
How much?
20, brother.
I'll have one.
It's okay.
Yeah.
Ole! Welcome to Marrakesh.
Yeah, man. And it is 20 dirham.
Yes, brother. Thank you so
Thank
much.
you.
Next time.
Yeah, man, thank you.
Next time.
Next time. It's actually really good, this. Banana, strawberry, and a bit of everything. Like I say, this is definitely one of the craziest cities I have ever been to, but it is very cool. see what that was. It was snails. Tomorrow I'm doing a video and I think I have to try them. Henna tattoos. What is in here? Fruit and veg store. So this is the place I have come every night and I got a chicken taco. It's only like £3 or something, so it's super cheap. That chicken taco was really nice and it was 40, so like £3 something. So now I'm gonna head back to the hostel. I have to walk down these streets one more time. Okay. And I am pretty much back at my hostel. So I hope you enjoyed exploring Marrakesh with me at night. It is an insane place. And if you did enjoy, please like, comment, subscribe, and join me in the next one. Which way is it? This is the issue. I think it's this way.
I'll be holding when you're loving me, it goes like